Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I achieve this look as well get to know me, then continue watching. I went ahead and moisturized and did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm going to prep my face. Alright. So question number 1. What's your full name and birthday? My full name is Hannah Marie Leon and my birthday is April 13th. So I just went in with my e.l.f. putty primer. It pretty much just makes my my skin look very smooth. It fills in all my pores. The one thing I do not like to do is I don't like to really put as much primer on my nose, because I noticed that when I put foundation and like the more product I put on my nose, it kind of starts to like come off and it just doesn't look very cute in person. So I try to avoid the nose. Now I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I like this primer because it pretty much just makes my face look really glowy. Alright. So now my skin is prepped. On to the next question. What products do you use to keep your face looking so smooth? I keep my face smooth by moisturizing and washing my face every day. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation. When I apply my foundation, I like to just use the end of any brush to mix it up, because I do like to use 2 different shades. I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm going to be using the shade 312 Golden Door and 310 Sun Beige. Okay, so now that my foundation is mixed on my little board here, I'm going to begin applying my foundation by making little dots. To blend out my foundation, I'm going to be using my Morphe sponge. Don't forget to blend down the neck. Okay, time for concealer. And the next question. The next question is, why did you name your channel Hannah Lou? So pretty much I named my channel Hannah Lou because I like to nickname myself Hannah Banana, but there was too many Hannah Bananas on YouTube. So instead I wanted to come up with something different. And I came across Hannah Lou, and it kind of reminded me of Libby Lou, which is my grandma. She likes to nickname herself Libby Lou. So it pretty much just reminds me of my grandma. And then once I did some further research on like the meaning of Lou, I came across that it pretty much just means a loving and caring person. And I feel like that just really describes my type of personality. So yeah, that's why I chose to name my channel Hannah Lou. Okay. So I like to conceal. Usually I don't conceal under my eyes first. I really don't know why I did, but I did. Yeah. So today, oh, I forgot to share what I'm using to conceal. Today I'm concealing with Maybelline New York's Maybelline New York concealer. I'm not quite sure the name of it, but I will put the proper name in the description. Now that I'm done concealing, I'm going to contour. Today to contour, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I'm going to be going into the lightest brown color today. While I do that, let's answer another question. What's your favorite step in your makeup routine? So my favorite step in my makeup routine would be putting my highlight on. Honestly, because I feel like it's the cherry on the cupcake, or cherry on the cupcake. Cherry on the sundae. Anyways, to blend my contour out, I like to kind of press the contour upward, kind of bring it towards the face a little bit. Oh, to blend my contour today, I'm using my Morphe, my M439 brush. It looks like this. To blend out my forehead contour, I'm going to be using my M173 brush. Looks like this. Going to blend, blend, blend. Just keep blending, just keep blending. What do? We blend, blend. Today, to set my face, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Magic Setting Powder in the shade Beige. Set all the places that I put my concealer. I'm also going to set my neck so that my foundation does not transfer onto any of my clothes. This setting powder smells so good. It smells like cotton candy, but don't smell it too much, because I will tell you, once I was setting my face and I sniffed it, and it is not a very pleasant feeling. You know what? This might be my favorite part of my makeup routine, because I don't know, it's so satisfying. What are your goals for your channel, and where do you see yourself in 5 years? So my goal for my channel is pretty much just help me become a more outgoing person. I do feel like sometimes I am shy. Actually, not sometimes, all the time. I am a pretty shy and timid person, but I feel like starting a YouTube channel can really help me come out of my shell. And I feel like it's also a great way for me to share with my family members and my friends what goes on in my life over here. And I feel like it's also a great way for me to share my creativity and just, yeah, share my interest. 5 years, I will be 27. Hope I will be finishing school. I see myself working in a childcare center, definitely. In 5 years, I definitely see myself traveling with my boyfriend. I've always wanted to travel, and so yeah, I definitely would like to take some time to travel. Alright, then. Alright, so on to the next. So now I'm going to be bronzing my face with Fenty Beauty's Island Ting. Oh my gosh, I love this bronzer. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. To apply my bronzer, I'm going to be using my Morphe E4 brush, like this. Alright, so on to the next question. The next question is, what are you going to school for? So I'm currently going to school to become a preschool teacher. I love working with children, and right now I'm currently in the process of transferring from a community college to a university. The next person asked me, how do you make yourself feel comfortable in front of the camera? That's a very good question. So I don't know how to make myself feel comfortable in front of the camera just yet. I am trying to make myself feel comfortable. I try to treat my camera as if it's a family member or a friend that I'm talking to. I feel like another factor that adds to it is just being in a comfortable environment. I feel like being able to record in my room honestly makes me feel so comfortable. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying my blush. I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Feisty. I'm going to be applying this blush on my cheekbones. So now that I applied my blush, I'm going to answer the next question. And the next question is, what are your plans for the future? I would like to someday become a director of my own childcare center. I would like to design my own childcare center someday. That would be amazing. Now I'm going to be going in with my Kylie Jenner Pressed Perfecting Powder. I'm going to be using my Kylie Jenner number 10 brush. I don't like this brush too much because I do feel like the bristles are like falling out, but you know, it'll do the job for right now. I'm just gonna press this underneath my eye. I don't feel like it does much of anything, but you know what? I like it. It's supposed to brighten your under eye and stuff. And I do like to place it like in my T-zone to brighten everywhere else. Pretty much all the spots that I conceal. So now I'm going to move on to my eyes. I'm going to prep my eyelids with my Maybelline concealer. Okay, so that's blended out. Now I'm going to, actually, today I'm going to be doing a simple look. I'm going to be going in with my Beige Cosmetics x Sylvia Gani palette. I'm going to be going in with the shade Obsessed. I'm going to be using my Morphe M506 brush. Okay, so pretty much I just set it on my lid and then put it in my crease and then blended it out. Now I'm going to go in with the shade S Club, and I'm just going to put this shade directly on top. I'm gonna press it into the crease. Okay, so that's good enough. Now I'm going to go in with my M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend. Now I'm going to go in with the same colors, Obsessed and S Club, and I'm going to put it at the bottom. The next question is, what's your channel going to consist of? My channel will consist of makeup tutorials, vlogs, cooking videos, challenges, DIYs, and whatever else you guys would like to recommend down in the comments below. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade October, and I'm going to be putting this color in my crease just to darken it up a bit. So this look that I'm doing is like one of my everyday makeup looks that I do. So now I'm gonna cut my crease with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm going to go in with my M124 brush. I like to place a little bit of concealer, my eyelid, and then I like to open my eye wide enough so that I get concealer at the top. And that's how high, and that's how I know how high to make my crease. I'm going to answer the next question. What is your favorite type of content to watch on YouTube? Makeup tutorials, mukbangs, daily vlogs, and challenges. Now I'm going to set my crease with the shade Wolf. It's a white color. I'm just going to press that on the concealer. Oh, I forgot. I'm using my M224 brush to apply the shade Wolf onto my eyelid. I'm taking my M506 brush and going back in with the color S Club, and I'm just going to blend in that color into the white. So now I'm going to highlight my brow bone using my This Is For You Colourpop highlighting palette. I'm going to be using the shade in the middle called Glad You Came. I'm going in with my M431 brush to apply the highlighter to my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. And we're back. So now I'm going to set my face with Morphe Setting Mist. After setting my face, I'm going to go in with my highlighter. I'm going to use my This Is For You Colourpop highlighter palette. I'm going to go in with the Bigger and Better shade. Going in with my Morphe sponge and just blending it out so the highlight doesn't look harsh and it melts into my skin. Now I'm going to highlight my nose. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and answer the next question. And the next question is, what's your favorite eye look? So my favorite eye look would have to be the eye, actually, I'll just pull it up right here. This is my favorite eye look because it reminds me of a sunset. And yeah, kind of just like how it looks. I just love all the different types of colors, and yeah, I like it. So now I'm going to be applying my lipstick. I'm going in with KKW's Nude 2 lip liner. Gonna line my lip. Now I'm going to be applying KKW's Nude 5 lipstick on the center. And this is the finished look for today. So if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, turn on your post notifications by ringing that bell, and comment down below if you have any video suggestions that you would like to recommend. Thank you for watching, everybody.